Fabio, buongiorno.
Welcome to Ventimiglia, the first city east of the French border in Italy. Today we're going to be attending a market which is one of the biggest in the Mediterranean and one of the most popular.
And it's another very warm day here. It started out raining when we left the hotel and we were a little concerned, but it was beautiful when we first got here because it was overcast and it wasn't really warm yet, but now it's the height of the day and it's a little warm out.
The sun has burned through the clouds and it's warm and humid.
Tony is checking the weather forecast. I'm going to flip this camera around just real quick so you can see.
It says it's only 74 degrees in Ventimiglia.
Really? It feels a lot warmer than that. I mean, this is just, you can't even tell just how expansive this market is. Oh, if I go around this way.
There are 500 vendors.
500 vendors, so it goes all the way down here and then it wraps all the way around. So this is very deceiving right here, this little bit.
We're at one end of it.
This little bit that I'm showing you is a mere fraction. And that you can see the sea there, which is really beautiful. Onward?
Onward.
Let's go.
It looks good. It's kind of nice. I like both of those.
I can't. My knee will not endure trying to get up on top of this. So this is as far as I'm going. What do you think? Do you think you can get up here?
Can I? Yeah, of course I can. I'm not going to. I would roll up on it.
Tony's favorite part of the Ventimiglia market is this food truck. I am convinced that this is the sole purpose for us being here. Is this amazing food truck. What are you getting?
Mortadella.
The mortadella?
Avec la salami
You want this?
I don't.
Grande Coke Zero. Grande Coke Zero.
Coca zero.
No, madame, c'est tutto magro.
Devi salire. Nell'anno dei anni era finito. Il limoncello vi faccio questo qua è dolce. Si fa les carottes, si fa les tomates, si fa les oignons, si fa l'artichaut, si fa tout ce que vous voulez, n'importe quoi. Les pommes, c'est très facile. Vous mettez ici la première lampe, le couteau et la première. Moi, Julien, dit toutes les choses que vous voulez faire perfectement. Parfait, Julien, comme ça. Dit toutes les choses. Et c'est ça, une protection que ça dit.
Now, we need a salad bowl, but one's not big enough for.
Yeah, but that's going to be hard for.
It's going to be hard to get home.
Yeah.
Bonjour.
Maybe we should eat here.